Yay, we've come to the end of Module 2 on the Ultimate Power BI course for healthcare analytics. If I were you, I'm going to watch this particular module twice because this is one of the most important module for this, like in this video, right? In this particular course. So just to refresh our mind on like what we spoke about, in an ideal scenario, you would actually have a meeting with a stakeholder. Either you work for that company or you're a consultant. Somebody has to have a problem or a data need. They need the data to solve the problem, and they're going to tell you a lot of things like high level that initially you might not even understand what they want. So the next thing you want to do is you want to ask questions. So you ask them questions, ask the stakeholder questions before you you go right into analysis. Then you ask your questions. You want to go back and understand your data set, to try to play with the data set and make it. Sometimes you're even doing some preliminary analysis. You're like, okay, this is what this is all about, this is what is here, or what do they mean by this, and you come back with more questions for the stakeholders, and you can then have a conversation with the stakeholders to say, okay, let us specify like what we are analyzing before we jump right into analysis. You have to have that mental picture of the roadmap before analyzing data. And this is where a lot of people get stuck. You can analyze something, but what? And what does that mean? So that is that about module 2. And we'll see you in module 3, where we'll start diving into like our Power BI analysis in proper. Like I say, always rewatch the videos and pause where necessary. See you in module 3. Bye.